Good afternoon. My name is Clarence, and the video this evening is how to remove and replace your rear wiper blade on a 2015, 16, 17, 18 Cadillac Escalade, to include the Yukon, the Denali, the Tahoe, any one of those General Motors SUVs from 2015 all the way up. It's an easy process, and we're going to show you how to get it done. Now the wiper blade, the rear wiper blade is located up under this panel right here. Okay, there's no way you can get to that blade up underneath this panel. So what you have to do is basically lift the hatch up. Lift the hatch. And once you lift the hatch, guess what? You got access to the blade that's right here. Now that we have access to the blade, this is how you remove the blade. Okay? There's a lock. There's a locking pin right here. Okay, let me see if I can show you that. There's a locking pin right here. I took a flat tip screwdriver, flat edge, pick up on it a little bit, and all I'm gonna do is push in on the lock. Push in on the lock, and then you slide the blade back. Hold on, let's see if we can get it. Okay, once you slide it back, the blade comes off. Take the old blade off, trash it, get your new blade, take the new blade, put it in the same way the old blade came out, like so. Pick up on it, put it in the slot, and slide it forward. Once you slide it forward and you hear it click, it's locked in, so it ain't going nowhere. And that's pretty much on the blade. That's all to replacing the rear blade. It takes about 2 minutes. You just got to figure out how to get to it, okay? Okay, other than that, that's pretty much it for rear wiper replacement on the 2015, 16, 17, 18 and above General Motors SUVs. This just happened to be the Cadillac. If you have any questions, hit me up on my YouTube page. If you'd like to see what I got going on, follow me on my YouTube page, and who knows, you might like it. If you enjoyed the video and it's pretty decent, you can go thumbs up. If you didn't like it and something's wrong with it and I need to make some changes, give me a thumbs down and a comment. I learn more from the thumbs down than I do the thumbs up, although I appreciate them. So follow me, hit me up. Other than that, I'm Clarence. Peace.